this book is always good. The Power of Subconscious Mind.
Okay.
Because it helps the positivity, problem solving, and decision making books. It's always habits, both good and bad habits, and education purpose.
मैं किसी की ना इजीली तारीफ नहीं करता, फ्रैंकली टू बी फ्रैंक मैं जल्दी किसी की तारीफ नहीं करता, बट सच में आगे अंदर कुछ तो है,
पक्का
पक्का 110% है सर, सच कुछ तो है सर आप में.
So I want to know, like, what are you doing here?
I'm selling SIM sir.
You're selling SIM cards.
Yes.
Why are you selling SIM cards, by the way?
Because it's a SIM port.
And so it's important to have the SIM cards.
Yes.
What brand do you have?
Sir, I have Airtel and Jio.
You have Airtel and Jio. Which SIM card, and VI also, which SIM card are you suggesting me, or are you recommending me?
Sir, where is my Ande wala who can sell omelette? Do you like omelets? In Lakshminagar, many people eat omelets and boiled eggs, and there is so many institutes who can help people in career. In people want to become a CA, people want to become a MBA, people want to become a many kind of things.
We can see here there are bus stand.
So especially for the ladies, pink tickets are there. They can travel without money.
Yes.
Right? So everybody, first of all, it's a very special moment. It's a great time that today Happiness Institute is conducting the outdoor activity in Lakshmi Nagar, right? So New Delhi, it's going to be amazing and special. We have Rhythm today, the student of batch 4 p.m. Right. So first of all, Rhythm, how do you feel today?
I feel very good and very excitement, and you are here, so I also feel now very excited.
So I feel very excited. So what's the reason behind your excitement?
Because it's my first experience in outdoor,
Okay.
so that's the reason.
Is it your first time outdoor?
Yeah,
So you have never done outdoor activity with me? I've never conducted.
never.
So like when you used to watch the videos on YouTube, like you used to watch so many, outdoor videos. So what did you feel that time?
I feel like that one day I can also do that kind of activity.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this time you are just doing, or you're a participant of it, you're a part of it, right?
Yes,
So
I'm a part.
do you think that your dream or thought came true?
Yes.
So here we have a session, right?
Yeah.
Observe and talk. So I think that you must have observed Lakshmi Nagar, right? So
Yeah.
what's your observation regarding Lakshmi Nagar?
I think Lakshmi is a good place. And actually, I like Lakshmi Nagar because many institutes are here and many kind of food stalls and instruments shops and the food items and the juice corners and like your teacher also here. That's the reason I like Lakshmi Nagar, and the people are traveling in metros, nearest metro who can help me to visit our institute to take my classes.
Interesting,
That's
right?
the reason.
So you have been attending your indoor classes or campus classes for many days, right? For maybe 20 days, 25 days, right? So this is your first time outdoor. So what do you think about outdoor activity? Like how is it going to help you to just brush up your skills and to gain, to build confidence?
Firstly, outdoor experience helps me to overcome my, like kind of shivering and shyness. So I think it helps me and connect with the people, easily connect with people,
Right.
and discuss many things. Before, I'm a very shy person.
I was a very shy.
I was a shy person, not to interact easily with the person. So now, like my first day, I interacted with you and my friends and like the local vendors. So it's, I think,
If I asked you, like, for example, if you were the owner of this particular shop, right?
Yes.
So how do you explain me the things like, that's being sold here? Why should I be impressed with you just to buy these things?
okay. Firstly, I would welcoming you. So, hello, sir. Hi. What would you like to eat? I'm Sally.
Sir, first of all, I'm very complex and confused. Like,
Okay.
what is this actually?
Actually, this is chop. So, I have many kind of chops, like malai chop, like masala chop, achari chop, and one of my favorite,
Wow, mouth watering.
Yes, mouth watering.
Okay.
Sunny Leone chap, one of my favorite.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay. I'll just, fine. I'll just have these chops exactly, right?
Yeah.
So many chops are there, so I must eat. So I want to explore now. So, for example, if I give you an opportunity,
Yes.
just that you are the shopkeeper
Okay.
and you are the vendor, right,
Yeah.
of these clothes. So, how do you explain me? I think these are for the girls.
Yes, it's for girls.
Come on.
Hello, ma'am. What kind of do you search clothes?
Oh, I search shirt,
Shirt,
black shirt.
a black shirt. And which quality do you want? Like cotton, rayon, and cotton.
Yeah.
Okay. In summer, no, like no. See, it's a black outfit, and you like it
Very loose.
loose. So you, oh, don't worry. I have an outer room, so don't worry. There is a tailor wala,
This is not my size.
not your size.
Yeah.
So see,
No. I'm
so there's so many varieties.
Yeah.
It's up to you. Choose it. Yeah, this one is only 150. Oh, sorry, 100.
100.
Yeah, it's on for sale. So do you pay through cash or UPI?
Like to pay.
Yeah,
I like pay online.
like okay.
Pay is
Yeah, he's a scanner. What kind of clothes do you want, sir?
I want to to buy a jeans.
Buy jeans. Oh, which one? Which color? Blue color, black color. Yeah, even one.
I want in little dark. It is in little dark.
Okay, sir. Here is go. Yeah,
It's in black. I think this one was good.
this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do you want to wear it?
Yes, sir. Definitely. Not right now.
So do you like to pay through Paytm or?
I will like to, yes, you paying you a passport of you, right? So you have to observe the location, and you have 1 minute, you have 1 minute. You will do the reporting of this exact location.
Okay.
Reporting outdoor, exact spot reporting. You will do it, and you will do. Come on, start it.
Okay. Reporting.
Yes.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. My name is Ridham Singh, and I'm from Ghaziabad, sorry, Lakshmi Nagar. And I'm wandering in Lakshmi Nagar. So I saw many things in Lakshmi Nagar. I saw many poor people here who wait for the bus, and they are very looks like very sick. I think it's very so. Sun को क्या कहते हैं?
Sunny.
It's very sunny and hot. So, and like my friends, my classmates here, and many vendors are here who sell many things, and so very crowdy area.
So, good evening, everyone. My name is Vishwendra Pawar. Good evening, everyone. My name is Vishwendra Pawar, and today I'm talking about my experience from here. I roaming around here, and I saw there are too many coaching centers, and there are many students who come here to study from far places. This is good thing, and there are many food places here. There are you don't go too far from to buy something here, and there are, if you want books, there are many stationaries where you can buy the books, and you can roam around here also. There are two cafes. There are many couples are roaming around here. It's a good places to roam, and here so many PGs also. Okay, that's fantastic. So Ridham, you have done reporting, and you have just also tried to sell the things, right? That was fantastic. How was the experience regarding this?
This is amazing. It was fabulous, fantastic.
Okay,
It's a great
did
experience.
you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Wish you okay. Thank you so much, Ridham. I would like to ask you that how was your experience regarding exploring this Lakshmi Nagar?
Sir, my experience is very amazing.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
is it first time that you are participating in outdoor activity?
Yes, sir. I'm first time participating.
First time participating. So how was your experience, by the way?
Sir, experience is, I think it's mixed, because when I go to
When I went to
street, some kids throw me
the color, the water, because of Holi, happy Holi, Pura na mano Holi.
happy Holi.
But I don't like this. You don't like this? You want to say it yourself?
Yeah, but I don't like fruits.
Okay. So you don't want that somebody should throw the color or the water on you, right?
Yes.
You want to be safe.
I want to say,
I think, but from tomorrow, most of the people will start throwing the colors and the water on your body. So how will you just save yourself?
actually, I don't want to say it myself. I wear old clothes and then I roaming around.
You will wear old clothes,
Yes.
and you will roam here and there. That's fantastic. So, what's your observation regarding Lakshmi Nagar? Like, if you observe Lakshmi Nagar, so what would you like to say about Lakshmi Nagar?
Sir, I think it's a friendly place. You can ask any people advice like books if you want to go some places you can ask from rickshaw driver where you want to go, and you saw many coaching centers are for here to buy something.
Right. So, it means that you want to just suggest or recommend this place, that this place is perfect for doing shopping.
Yes, sir, definitely this is the place is buy to.
This place is perfect for shopping, right?
Sir,
Not an issue.
sir, so we can literally issue it's not clean here, and if we, the things the coaching candles are too many, some
It's quite congested as well. Like if we talk about this place, so this place is quite congested as well. What do you think about this?
yes sir, definitely it's too congested, and some people lost there.
All right, exactly. Thank you very much. I'll be back to you. Hi, students. Hi, everybody. What are you exploring here?
Sir, I explored many books, but this book is always good. The Power of Subconscious Mind.
Okay.
Because it helps the positivity, problem solving, and decision making books. It's always habits, both good and bad habits, and education purpose. You more to read. And
We should read it. You are suggesting this.
yes,
You recommended this book.
this book. Because
But why? Why to read this book
Be-
particularly?
so this book has problem solving book, emotion, habits, good and bad habits. Sir. So this book is always good.
Are you suggesting or recommending this book for each and every one or some particular people?
Because some particular people.
Why?
Because these people are many different different
People have
options,
different options, different mindsets.
different mindset.
Okay.
So this mindset, because all qualities in one book. So read the Power of
So you want to suggest or you want to recommend that
Subconscious
we should read this book, The Power of Subconscious Mind.
Mind.
Okay, as I gave you a challenge, as I gave you a task that to explore Lakshmi Nagar, right? So what have you explored in Lakshmi Nagar? What's your experience?
Explore many coaching centers like career leaders, English speaking courses, banking, railways, Delhi police. So most of the explore in the coaching centers.
So you have explored most of the coaching classes or centers, right? So you think that happiness is one of the best.
Yes, Happiness Institute is the best institute because they have learned for many pupils and crack the interviews and personality development and explore another activities indoor and outdoor.
So indoor and outdoor. I think it's your first outdoor activity that you're participating in.
Yes,
How is your
Right.
experience?
it's my first outdoor activity and my experience is very good
Okay.
because of Abdullah sir.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I want to know, like, what are you doing here?
I'm selling SIM, sir.
You're selling SIM cards.
Yes,
Why are you selling SIM cards, by the way?
because it's a SIM port.
And so it's important to have the SIM cards.
Yes,
What brand do you have?
sir. I have Airtel and Jio.
You have Airtel and Jio. Which SIM card? And VI also. Which SIM card are you suggesting me or are you recommending me?
Sir, Airtel.
Airtel. Why are you suggesting me Airtel SIM card? I just want to know.
Sir, it's better for international.
Calls and all.
Yes, sir.
So it's better for international calls. Have you used this personally or you are just suggesting me?
Yes, sir. I also
Okay. And why are you keeping this, by the way?
for promotion.
For promotion and announcement.
Yes, sir.
All right. So I should go for this SIM card.
Yes,
Okay. How much?
it's
It's for 100 rupees.
yes, sir.
What's the recharge for a month?
Yes,
Unlimited data? Or 1 GB or 2 GB?
2 GB.
2 GB. Daily, huh? Okay. Not unlimited. You are saying you're telling a lie. झूठ बोल रहे हैं आप.
No, sir.
No, you're not telling a lie.
I have explored this book that is 12th fail.
12 fail. Okay.
It is story about Manoj Kumar, who is a IAS officer, become a IAS officer, but in his 12th class he was failed.
Achha, he failed in class 12.
Yes.
After that, he became an IAS officer or IPS officer. IPS officer, Manoj Kumar, right? So, what is the exact thing that that's why we should read this book? Like, what is the exact thing there? Or what is the most motivational thing in this book?
Okay. As we know, sir, millions of students have to prepare this competitive exam, and
Many students fail. They don't crack this UPSC examination. Okay.
yes, and this is a book by which is give a very
Gives us motivation.
motivations that.
You have 1 minute to report Lakshmi Nagar.
Oh, good evening. Today we are here in Lakshmi Nagar. We are exploring Lakshmi Nagar market and area. And in Lakshmi Nagar metro, there are so many vendors and shops, and there are so many study institute like CUT crack exam and SSC exam and English spoken course, as well as Happiness Institute, one of the best institute. And in Lakshmi Nagar area, there are so many PGs for boys and girls. We can see here there are bus stand.
So especially for the ladies, pink tickets are there. They can travel without money.
Yes,
Right? Priyanka, what have you explored? I just want to know. What have you explored? Which book would you like to recommend us to read actually? Okay.
Yeah.
Too good to be true. Why this book have you chosen?
अच्छा करो अच्छा पाओ.
Acha, do good, get good. So good,
Yeah.
read good. Okay. So that's why this book is
Yeah.
perfect for us.
Yeah.
Okay. So have you gone to read this book or just you saw this book today?
Only saw this book today.
Okay. So are you reading any book these days?
No, I am reading only story books.
Which storybook did you read last time?
Premchandra.
Okay, Premchand, Munshi Premchand.
Yeah.
So anything that you remember from the book, out of the book?
No, sir, I forget.
No, you forgot it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so we are starting from Faisal. That Faisal will be talking about his exploration or experience regarding Lakshmi Nagar. Teddy, start it.
So, good afternoon, everyone. Today I am here in Lakshmi Nagar. Today I saw Lakshmi Nagar is a developed area in New Delhi because it has near metro. Bus station is also available in easily. I saw here many shops, and we can also see there are many gyms, cooking of fruits, as well as many shops are available. So today I have book in my hand, The Psychology of Money. This book is written by Morgan Housel. This book is all about how to manage our behavior with the help of money, how to make the sense of money, how to talk with someone. Switch.
Hello, good evening, all of you. My name is Corinne Fatima. Today I am telling about some things about Lakshmi Nagar. So Lakshmi Nagar is a hub of coaching centers. In Lakshmi Nagar, there are so many coaching centers of CA, CS, IS, and SSC banking. It's a hub of educational point. And the next point is in Lakshmi Nagar, there are so many shops in Lakshmi Nagar. It's also a Happiness Institute. It's one of the best institute of English speaking skills. I also joined Happiness Institute. Therefore, my English speaking is improving day by day. And in Lakshmi Nagar, there are so many shops like foods items, junk foods, vegetarian foods, non-veg foods. And in Lakshmi Nagar, there was the nearest metro station.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vishwendra Pawar, and today I'm here talking about the Lakshmi Nagar. This is a congested area, and many people comes here to study. And there are some books. If you want to learn something, you can buy the book. So everyone, my name is Kunal, and I am from Happiness Institute, and I observed many things here. And I went to some backside street, and there is also many kinds of ATMs and hair salons, and here is also many PGs.
Welcome to my Lakshmi Nagar. I'm Riram Singh from Happiness Institute. And I'm telling you about Lakshmi Nagar. Lakshmi Nagar is a very good place, and I'm studying in Happiness Institute. I'm also a student of Happiness Institute. And in Lakshmi Nagar, there is many kind of vendors, and the shop are here. You can buy anything, you can purchase anything, and you can make friends also here, and you can eat anything. An uncle is here in Lakshmi Nagar who sell many kinds of novels and many kind of books who helps people to overcome her fears and there it's quite our stamina, and they build our opinions and capability and many things.
Sir.
Where is Andewala who can sell omelette? Do you like omelets? In Lakshmi Nagar, many people eat omelets and boiled eggs, and there is so many institutes who can help people in career. In people want to become a CA, people want to become a MBA, people want to become a many kind of things in Lakshmi Nagar who can help people. And I think today it's very hot day. I think winter are gone and peoples are wearing t-shirts, not wear jacket. Yes, you can buy books here. You can take notebooks in which you write in your tuitions, your institute.
And there you can buy the novel. It's only for 35 rupees.
It's available on very cheap price, only in 35 rupees.
Only 25 rupees.
It's only in Lakshmi Nagar. It's only in Lakshmi Nagar. Believe me, boy, believe me, guys. It's only in Lakshmi Nagar. If you buy any kind of novels, I think it's a price like 250, 300. But in Lakshmi Nagar, you can buy a novels only in 35 rupees only.
Which I'm asking few questions regarding the book space.
Which book I buy?
Actually, I'm not interested in novels. Actually, I believe in practical knowledge. Yeah.
So how I get practical knowledge?
I got the practical knowledge like to interact with people. Like I interact with any unknown people. If I travel in metro, so I talk to the strangers. They help me to get knowledge. So
That's all.
yes,
I agree with his points. That's all I think
so I think
right now.
Okay, so everybody, our students like Ridham and Vishu, they have done great job. They have done good job. We keep on conducting this kind of activity to improve the confidence and communication, public speaking of our students. Stay tuned, stay in touch with Happiness Institute, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.